The Smart Bird Feeder camera with AI species identifier by Kbiuk combines advanced technology with outdoor bird feeding. Designed for birdwatching enthusiasts, it features 5K HD video streaming and AI that identifies over 10,000 bird species. This solar-powered feeder offers motion alerts and night vision, making it a comprehensive tool for observing and learning about birds in your garden. This feeder includes a large 2.5-liter seed capacity housed in a rainproof, durable plastic body with an olive green finish. Its hanging mount design and included stands simplify installation. Equipped with 2 solar panels and a 5,000 mAh battery, it operates continuously without manual charging. The camera captures clear images and videos day and night, while smart notifications alert you instantly when birds arrive. A mini hummingbird feeder attachment and an intuitive app enhance the user experience. Ideal for nature lovers and birdwatchers seeking an educational and low-maintenance device, this feeder enriches outdoor spaces with engaging wildlife moments. It is a reliable, weatherproof choice that keeps bird feeding and identification effortless year-round.